Hamburg Dedicated Server Provider, by TheServerHost. Hamburg, the largest port city in North Germany, is extremely connected to the Baltic Sea by the Elbe River. When you are building a website, choosing the type of dedicated server you will need can be one of the biggest challenges you face as a website owner. A Hamburg Dedicated Server is a computer specifically designed and used only for your website's files, which may be files for text, graphics, video, or audio files. If you are looking for a dedicated server, you'll need to determine what exactly your website is going to be using from the moment you decide to start building a website until you have a fully functional website is up and running. Dedicated hosting. Just like a conventional shared hosting account, when you sign up for a dedicated server you're signing onto a web host that will handle all of your website's files and web pages. In order to get the most out of your dedicated servers you need to make sure you get a web host that has a good level of experience with dedicated hosting and has been around for a while. Some good dedicated server providers have been around since the beginning of the internet and offer excellent dedicated server features. Server security. This is perhaps the most important feature to look for when choosing a dedicated server. Hamburg Dedicated Servers are provided with their own private SSL certificate that enables data to be encrypted in order to provide added security. SSL certifications are also issued by trusted third parties and should always be considered when choosing a dedicated server provider. Dedicated hosting also offers great security from malicious attacks, and this can be further enhanced by using dedicated servers. Most dedicated server providers offer daily malware monitoring, and if your provider is offering this then you're sure to have a good dedicated hosting environment. High bandwidth. Hamburg Dedicated Servers are excellent for providing high bandwidth, and with today's world seeing an explosion in the usage of online media, that's no problem. The amount of bandwidth provided is unlimited and is not affected by the size of your website or web application. Dedicated hosting offers the most flexible approach to high bandwidth internet solutions, and that's why many businesses today prefer to use a dedicated server hosting package for their web presence. Root access. Root access is another one of the most beneficial Hamburg dedicated server features, and with this benefit comes extreme power. With root access a user has full control over the physical machine and can do whatever he wants with the machine. With a dedicated server, not only can you install different operating systems, but you can also create users and assign them different disk space, bandwidth and resources. Enhanced SSD storage space and collation management. SSD storage space is one of the most vital features that Hamburg Dedicated Server offers. Nowadays, high-quality standards have been set for SSD storage, and it's very important that you choose a dedicated server hosting provider that offers enhanced SSD storage features. You get more disk space, more bandwidth and a lot more with an enhanced SSD storage feature, and you'll definitely appreciate these benefits. Advanced collation management allows multiple computers to be joined together via a single network. With advanced collation management, a user can manage his server in such a way that when one computer crashes, his other computers are able to continue working. These are just a few of the most crucial TheServerHost dedicated server features that a webmaster wants to have. There are plenty of other useful features that you too can take advantage of. Of course, you can always talk to your dedicated server provider to figure out exactly what you need. If your dedicated server provider doesn't offer a particular feature at all, then don't be afraid to ask your web hosting company for a customized option. After all, the dedicated hosting is meant for you and for your business, and as such your needs should be catered to by the web hosting provider that you've chosen to work with. For more info visit TheServerHost or click link in description.